What if I told you that millionaires and billionaires legally pay less in taxes than many middle-class workers? No, it's not magic, it's strategy. And the real twist? These are things we're never taught in school. Let's break down the hidden playbook of the rich. Here's the big idea. Most people, they trade time for money. You get a paycheck, you get taxed, and you repeat the cycle. But the wealthy? They're playing chess while the rest of us are playing checkers. They build systems, LLCs, investments, real estate, all with tax advantages built right in. Think about it like this. Most folks go earn, get taxed, then spend. But for the wealthy, it's earn, spend, then get taxed. That flip is where the magic happens. Alright, let's get into the real strategies. Here are 3 ways the rich legally pay less tax than you, while you're stuck sweating tax season. First, LLCs and businesses. When you own a business, suddenly, a lot of your spending can become a write-off. That laptop you bought? Write-off. Those work trips? Write-off. Even a piece of your rent or mortgage, if you have a home office. That's why so many rich people, their businesses own the assets and they just use them. LLCs are basically a legal tax shield. Second, real estate depreciation. You've heard buy real estate, but here's the kicker. Even as your property climbs in value, the IRS lets you deduct something called depreciation, an imaginary loss on paper. So you might be raking in rental income, but for tax purposes, it looks like you're losing money. That means a ton of cash flow that's basically tax-free. Depreciation is the cheat code for tax-free income. Strategy number 3, trusts and legacy planning. Trusts aren't just for billionaires with castles and yachts. They help you pass wealth to the next generation legally, efficiently, and sometimes reducing your taxes while you're still alive. That's why generational wealth actually stays generational. Trusts are the secret handshake of the ultra-wealthy. Now here's the wild part. None of this is actually secret. But it is, because it's not in any high school or college textbook. We're trained to be good employees, not wealth architects. But the tax code? It's a roadmap for those who know how to read it. Learning these rules is the first step to leveling up your finances. So now you know how the rich legally pay less taxes. Imagine what you could do if you started playing by their rules even just a little. If you want to go deeper, like subscribe and comment tax game, if you want a full breakdown on how to actually start using one of these strategies yourself. Knowledge is power, especially when the tax man comes knocking. Thanks for watching.